Now there might be a little bit of trial and error for me to know how thick, how strong to put that on. I've heard 4 to 1 or 3 to 1, like 1 cup of this, 3 cups of water. That's why I got this bucket here, and I could put that in there and start with that. Maybe dip in a brush with that. You could put it in a Hudson sprayer, whatever you want to do. But then when I was looking on here to clean floors, it said 15 to 1, and I just not quite sure. I might do 3 to 1, put that in a container, and then from that go 15 to 1, or then use it like that's a concentrate. This is a super concentrate material, and what I was also told was in order for that to become Energy Plus 680, you would mix this 3 to 1, then it becomes Energy Plus, then that's your concentrate, then you can reduce that down with some water and dilute it just like you would anything else. Okay, so a little bit of trial and error, and I'm up to the task because I would rather get this glue off and have this floor all nicely clean without doing anything else to my project. Okay, like floating out the floors. And I'm gonna take this little closet right here, and I'm gonna do a couple tests on the floor. I'm gonna use that orange. This is the orange cleaner I'm going to use, and this was used with something else, but it was like real smelly. I think I tried to use some paint thinner on it, and I can't do that in here. It's just going to stink this place out. Okay, the orange oil concentrate, I'm going to spray that on there. I'm going to try this other stuff. I'm going to try some wire brushes. I think there's some wire brushes in here. See, like that. After I let it sit on the floor for a while, I could use a bristle broom to kind of spooge it around there and see what's going to happen. Then I can take a sponge right here and take my bucket. I'll fill up a bucket, 5-gallon bucket like this with water, and then I'll just sponge off the rest of it. And I'm kind of looking forward to this. I'm hoping that's going to do the trick, but if not, I've got plan B. You want to see what that is? Stick around.